If you're over 70, there's something important you need to know about memory loss, and most people never hear this until it's too late. Memory decline is not just about aging. It's driven by inflammation, poor blood flow to the brain, and what happens inside your body in the evening while you sleep. Studies now show that seniors can reduce the risk of memory decline by up to 55% by changing one simple dinner habit. Not a drug, not a supplement, a habit that works with your brain's natural repair cycle. Researchers found that the brain does most of its cleanup and memory repair at night, and the foods you eat at dinner directly affect this process. Seniors who ate a balanced, anti-inflammatory dinner, rich in healthy fats, quality protein, and colorful vegetables, showed better memory, sharper thinking, and slower cognitive decline over time. Those who skipped dinner, ate late, or relied on processed foods saw the opposite effect. This matters even more after age 70, because the aging brain becomes more sensitive to blood sugar spikes and inflammation. The good news is this: memory loss is not inevitable. What you eat in the evening can either protect your brain or quietly harm it. Talk to your healthcare provider if you have medical conditions. But understand this: one small dinner habit, done consistently, can help protect your memory, your independence, and your quality of life for years to come.